Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to set up a Sketchware project with GitHub repo. So first of all, how to create repo and generate token, classic token and setup. First of all, create a repo on Chrome, or if you have desktop, so you can create there. First, create a repo. You have to click on profile icon and create new repository. Here you can select owner and repo name, description, and choose public or private. If you want to share other user to source code, you may set public, otherwise you can set private. At readme, you can toggle it on and create repo. I have already a repo for testing. As you can see, SketchX. This is empty, only readme. First, you should generate a token, classic token. And you may go to here developer setting. Then here click on tokens classic. Here you can create a generate new token. First you have to verify. When you click on generate classic token, you must see this. Here you can set a note and expiration date and select all these repo. And you must select all others too, but you have to require these. First, repo status deployment repo environment generate token. I have already a token, so I am not going to generate new one. After generating, you have a APK SketchX which I created. You may go to GitHub section and here select a project. Where do you want to set up? I want to set up this project. So first of all, create a GitHub access. Here you paste generated token and repo name and your profile name and branch name. I have pasted here. Then click save. And these new files are ready to push. Click here. Set commit message. New files. Click on commit. See, all files are pushing on GitHub. And you may check the repo. See, files are uploaded in SW project. And I go to project and change anything. And save. Refresh here. What files are changed and push here new file. There is more options. Here you can check commit history. Here check new file uploaded time. You may check, and here you can compare or check out. Please provide me feedback and Ask anything on Telegram. I will reply you, and give me any bug report so I will fix in future. Subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.